infinite series. So we need to find out the sum of the infinite series 1 by 3 plus 2 by 21 and so on. Okay. So this is 1 by 3. So if you try to observe the pattern, I can say 1 upon 1 into 3. 2 by 21. So this is 2 upon 21 is 3 into 7 plus 3 upon 91. So 3 upon 7 into 13. And you can observe the pattern plus 4 upon 273. So that will be equal to nothing but that is 13 into something. How? You can see the difference here. It is of nothing but that is 2. Alright. I can say the difference is of 2. And here the difference is of nothing but 4. And then here it is 6. So here it has to be a difference of 8 here. So 13 plus 8, that will be comes out to be how much? That is 21. And you can see that is 13 into 21 is nothing but that is 273. And so on. And we need to find out the sum of this series here. Now mostly one of the ways by using partial fraction, identifying its nth term. But usually in such type of the questions, if you observe the pattern, that the difference of the numerator, like if I say 1 by a minus 1 by b, it is always equal to nothing but b minus a upon a into b. So if the difference between these two terms like a and b, if it is in the numerator, then this question can be solved very easily. So to make a difference here, what I'll do, I'll multiply the first term by 2 and divide by 2. So it will be comes out to be 2 upon 1 into 3. Plus, here the difference is of 4. So 2 is already there. So I can say that is nothing but 2 into 2 upon how much? That is 3 into 7. Here the difference is of 6. So I'll multiply this by 3 into 2. That is 6 upon, I can say 7 into 13. Next time the difference is of 8. So I can say upper 4 into 2. Numerator is 4 into 2 is 8 upon 13 into 21. But since we are multiplying the numerator by 2, so we need to divide by also 2. So I can take out 1 by 2 as common here. Alright. And so on. So I multiply and divide the numerator and denominator by 2 here. So now I can say the first term here, it is equal to 1 by 2. The first term will be 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3. The second term, this, it will be equal to simply 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7. The next term will be equal to 1 by 7 minus 1 by 13 and so on. This will be till which term? That is infinity. So that will goes on till infinity. Now you can observe all the terms will we get cancelled, like minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 and so on. So what are we left out with? That is equal to 1 by 2 into 1, which is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the correct answer. So in most of the time in such type of the questions, you need to remember this particular logic here. If you are able to identify this, it can be solved quickly. So the correct answer is option B, which is 1 by 2. Thank you.